If you're looking to sign documents digitally right from your phone, Adobe Acrobat Sign is a perfect choice. Start by opening the Google Play Store if you're using Android or the App Store for iPhone users. In the search bar, type Adobe Acrobat Sign and look for the official app by Adobe. Tap on Install or Get and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, open the app from your home screen or app drawer. The app allows you to easily fill out forms, sign documents with your finger or stylus, and send them securely, all from your mobile device. It's especially useful for freelancers, business professionals, or anyone who needs quick access to electronic signatures. After installation, just open and enjoy the app and simplify your document workflow in seconds.